Today I'm going to show you how to play the two types of D over F sharp. I'm not going to explain in depth the theory on this. I'm just simply going to teach you how to play it two ways and let you decide from there. Here's the D over F sharp the way I do it, because my hands are not big Hendrix, Stevie Ray Vaughan, John Mayer like hands. What I do when I play a D over F sharp, by the way, that means we're playing a D major chord with an F sharp in the bass, okay, which is this third in the chord. Blah, 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 blah. You don't have to know that. Here's what it means. That's how you play a D major, right? High E string, 2nd fret, B string, 3rd fret, G string, 2nd fret, and D string down. Done, right? Well, here's how you play a D over F sharp. What I'll do is I'll pick these two. I'll place my 2nd finger on the G string, 2nd fret, and then I'll place my 1st finger over here on the low E string, 2nd fret. That's my F sharp. Put it in the bass. That's what that means. D over F sharp. F sharp is in the bass. So what the finger is doing, that 1st finger, is actually more than it looks like. I'm not only playing that E string, 2nd fret, which is the note of F sharp, but I'm muting the A string, and I'm muting the high E string. What that does, that creates an F sharp, a D, an A, and a D. Those are the three notes that it takes to make a D major, but now the F sharp in the bass. And I've muted that because that normally would be an E, that would be a 2 in the key. I don't want that. It's going to sound like a different chord. There's a D over F sharp. That's the way I like to do it. Get used to it. It's an easy way once you kind of just adjust and learn to get the fingers there. If your hands are big enough, however, I recommend trying the other way, which is playing a D major, just like normal. I don't know if you see my thumb here, but normally I'm using it to mute that E string, so just in case I get wild on stage, I'm okay, I can mute that, and I'm good to go. I'm not playing that big dreadful E. It doesn't sound like that. What I'm going to do, though, with a D over F sharp, is I'm going to be placing my thumb a little bit more around. I'm actually, instead of using it to mute, I'm going to hook it around and actually grab that. As you can see, I'm not super good at it. The 2nd fret low E string. There it is. That wasn't too bad. That is a D over F sharp as well. So I'm just grabbing that note with my thumb. It's very Hendrix-like I was talking about before. Those guys got the big hands. If you got bigger hands, go for it. I actually wish I could do this one easier. I can't. It's just not feasible for my hands. The neck is just too wide. So those are your two choices. Go for it like that or like that, and you can bust it out in a bunch of songs. This chord comes up a bunch for reasons I won't get into, but like I was playing earlier, I did a little bit of Ed Sheeran. There's that D over F sharp, right? And then I did a little bit of the outro or the coda section of Patience, which is the D major, to a D over F sharp, G, right? And I also did it in, you know, everyone's favorite Freebird. There it is. Anyways, that chord is normally used to kind of bridge the gap between a G major and an E minor, or vice versa, an E minor to a G major. So watch for it and listen for it anytime you're playing in the key of G especially, and occasionally in the key of D. Alright you guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like this video, tell your mom, tell your dad. Everyone's doing it.